Morning, everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to make shawarma for sale at a very cheap rate. All right, these things are things you can do at home, anywhere you find yourself, and you will still make money from it. All right, so I have the necessary ingredients here. This is called Lebanese bread. You can get this from any good supermarket. All right, this is just how it is. This is what we call shawarma bread, but the name is Lebanese bread. All right, then you have your fillet. That's the chicken. Fillet is just boneless. All right, but you can still use your normal chicken if you wish, depending on how you garnish it well. So for this fillet, we don't steam. You can only defroze it. That's if it's frozen. You defroze and add a little cube, depending on the taste you want. Then you can either use grill, or you can fry. All right. So when you fry or using the grill, it will be like this. Okay. You can use grill. All right. This is how grill is. You can use it for it. You can use this for the fillet. All right. After defrosting and mixing your cube, you can use this to grill the water out, or you add your groundnut oil and fry using your frying pan. After that, this is how it will look. You will not necessarily make it to be that fried. This is how it will look once you're done frying or using your grill for it. All right, this is just it. It's boneless. So if you go to supermarket, you ask for fillet, you get it. It's a boneless chicken. All right. So the next thing is your sausage. All of this thing is sold in supermarkets. Sausage. All right. So what you do with sausage is just open and fry. You don't add anything to it. Don't fry for long. All right. You just see it with the color. You know it's ready. Don't fry for long. So once you're done frying, it will look like this. All right. So I've shown you your Lebanese bread, your fillet, that's your chicken. Then the next thing is your tomato ketchup. All right. These are the ingredients you use for shawarma. Tomato ketchup. All right. Then the next thing is your Bama mayonnaise and salad cream. I mixed 2 Bama and 1 salad cream. Probably I will show you the picture. Of this. All right. Then the next thing, this is optional. I have your pepper here. Some persons uses it. You can still meet customers who are not interested in pepper, so you can decide not to add your pepper. And the last but not the least is your cabbage. All right. So we're going to do our shawarma. We're going to prepare our shawarma now. All right. We're going to prepare now. So I'm going to bring out the bread, Lebanese bread. And please, when you're making your shawarma, you can see me on my hand gloves. Make sure you are always on it so that customers will not feel irritated. All right. Always use your hand glove for it. I'm going to be doing a shawarma with 2 sausage. Some persons can request for 1. You just place it here for your sausage. All right. Some persons can request for 2. You arrange properly. All right. See the way I'm arranging it. You arrange it properly. Then for your chicken, mind you, this is my pattern. Some persons can decide to mix everything in a plate. All right, mix everything in a plate. Okay. All right, so this is how to place your sausage and chicken. Like I said, the next thing is your pepper. This is optional. Some persons likes it, some persons do not. So you can just sprinkle your pepper here, depending on the customer. Alright, depending on the customer that wants it. Then the next thing is your mayonnaise. I'm shaking it because I brought it out from a chiller. Alright, your mayonnaise. Oh. Alright. Then the next thing is your tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup. Alright. So the next thing is your cabbage. You just slice it. You don't really need much. You don't need much. You don't need much. So that people will not be eating more of cabbage and they will just tell you there is no chicken in it. Alright, so you just add a little cabbage. Like I said, some people do mix. They just mix everything in a plate, depending on what you want. It will still come out nice. But these are just the ingredients. Then another aspect is the folding. The folding. So watch this properly so you learn how to fold it. First, I'm going to pick the two sides. Alright, I'm going to pick the two sides and one of these. Sorry, let me arrange or adjust my hand glove. Alright, these two sides, one of these. My bread is already tearing. Fold, then fold. So this is it, ready to toast. Is either, I said I'm going to be showing you the two types. Is either I use the toaster, or if you're starting and you don't have money for toaster, please, your fry. Alright, so like I said, we can use two methods for it. If you don't have money for industrial toaster, you can use your frying pan. Alright, it will still do the work perfectly. So I'm going to be, look at the frying pan, I do use it sometimes, but I'm going to be using I'm going to use the industrial toaster. There is light, it's already on. Alright, so this is just how to place it. Look at how I'm still holding the folded shawarma. Alright, then turn and place. So I can now remove my hand glove because I will not be needing it anymore, and I will be making use of the picker for it. So that is just it. Alright, so you just wait for a few minutes. Alright, you can see this is hot here, and also it will heat from here and also heat from down here. So what you do next is use your picker and just turn. Alright, the essence of this is just to heat this bread a little for a few minutes. At least 10 to 15 minutes is good enough to prepare shawarma. Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so once this is done, we will wrap. Alright. Alright, so like I said, shawarma will take you just 10 to 15 minutes. You're done with it. As you can see, it's ready. So use your picker and place it on whatever you're wrapping it with, and you're good to go. Alright, so this is just it. This is just it, and you just wrap. Alright, so depending on what you're wrapping with, I'm using my printed paper. Alright, so this is it. See what I'm doing? Just this, and you're good to go. There is nothing much about shawarma. Good go. All right. If you want to eat, you can come meet me. We'll test it together. Thank you very much. God bless you. All right, this is the shawarma. You can come join me, enjoy it. All right.